what is magic, and how do I know that magic is real? Well, our society tends to really value logical and linear thought. And magic is not linear, it's not logical. So how do I know that it's real? Well, I've seen real magic in my life. Magic is the art of transformation, and it's about getting results in life. If we consider that our physical reality is just a piece, that there's so much more beyond our physical reality, and we can understand how to harness these energies at play to create real change in our lives, this is magic. This is the art of transformation. Think about this. If you were to condense all the matter of your physical body, if you were to take away all the empty space between the atoms of your physical body, all that matter would fit onto the head of a pin. That's how much empty space there is in what we think of as so real and so solid. And so one thing, an understanding of our reality beyond just the physical, this is the art of metaphysics. And why I love studying with an authentic mystery school tradition is learning metaphysical tools that we can apply to our lives and seeing the results. And I've seen this in my life, this art of transformation, as something that has brought so much growth and change for me beyond what I even knew was possible. And that's how I know magic is real, because I see it every day. And I continue to see it as I take these tools and test them and see transformation happen. So what transformation or magic have you seen in your life? Share in the comments below.